Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by getting permissions and launching what you intend to show. First, make sure Zoom is updated and that you've granted screen recording or screen sharing in your OS settings, otherwise it won't work. Once done, open the exact document, browser tab, or app window you'll present so you don't fumble during the meeting. Then, in the meeting, click Share Screen. This starts the sharing flow and lets you choose between showing your full display, a single window, or just a Chrome tab. Once you click Share Screen, Zoom shows thumbnails of available screens and apps. Pick the precise one to avoid exposing other content. If you'll play a video or audio, check Share Computer Sound and optimize for video clip to keep audio sync and quality. Make sure to select the correct monitor if you have multiple displays, otherwise you may broadcast the wrong screen. If you need just part of a screen or an additional camera feed, open Advanced and choose Port. During the share, use the toolbar to annotate, pause share, or tap Give Control to let someone else interact. This keeps the meeting fluid. When you're finished, click Stop Share so participants return to gallery or speaker view and your meeting flow resumes. If sharing fails, first check OS screen recording permissions and that Zoom is allowed. Then restart the Zoom client or switch from full screen capture to a specific window or browser tab. This resolves most permission and black screen problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.